Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine here. We got this Caroline Skiff here that's sunk on their floating dock that we're going to rewire now. We started to. I had a pole light up front, got rid of that. We're going to put this little guy here. Look nice there. It's a nice little boat, little 25 Yamaha, full start. We put a jack plate / trim plate on it a couple months ago. Also, I think we actually installed these little trim tabs as well on the back. We had a little bait pump here. We're gonna pull those, fill those holes up with epoxy so you can't really see them anymore. Put in a new pole light for the anchor light, new bilge pump. We're making a new switch panel that's gonna go here. We're gonna have it all labeled. We're adding a bubbler up there. We'll run the line right here. We're also adding a piece of board there. We epoxied it up there. And what we're gonna do is we got all these switch panels. Not a switch panel. We got fuse. Never had any fuses or anything on it, so we're putting all fuses to protect all the stuff, so there's no fires or anything. If something trips, it'll trip a fuse and save it, so nothing catches on fire. Put a nice little ground block back there, so everything's grounded properly. We're gonna put some deck lights in it too. I have these little guys here, pretty bright. Two of them. We're gonna put one on this side, one on this side, so hopefully all this will be lit up for them at night if you ever out at night fishing around the creek or anything. So that's what we got going on here on this little guy. So it's a nice little boat, worth keeping up. I'm also gonna put a little 12-volt outlet on the panel so you can plug in a spotlight if you need it. All new switches, and we had to order a new jack plate relay system for it because that one went under as well, so nothing was working. So new battery, customer supplied that. But yeah, that's good. Got them a new fire extinguisher. Noticed that was expired, so just want to make sure everybody's safe and up to date. If they get pulled over, we need tickets. That's what we got. Take it easy.